Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Rocky Road cookies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then heat the chocolate in the microwave until it's melted, stirring it every 15 to 30 seconds till it heats evenly. And set it aside to cool. Then in a small or medium bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and cream them with an electric mixer on high speed for 3 minutes until it's light and pale. Then add in the eggs one at a time, make sure they're at room temperature, and mix well after adding each one. After the second egg is added, beat the mixture on medium speed for another 30 seconds. Then add in the vanilla extract and the cooled melted chocolate from earlier, and mix them in until they're combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix them in by hand until they're just combined. Then add in the chocolate chips and chopped almonds, and mix them in until they're thoroughly combined. And we don't add the marshmallows into the dough because once the cookies bake, the marshmallows will melt and combine with the cookies, and it will also cause the cookies to spread in all different directions. Scoop 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie and place them onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper, spacing them out at least 1.5 to 2 inches apart to give them room to spread. And bake them in the oven for 6 to 8 minutes until they're just starting to set. Then remove them from the oven and immediately add the marshmallows on top, pressing them in so they stick. Then place them back into the oven for another 2 minutes until the marshmallows are puffed but not browned. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes. And transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm or completely cooled. And that's how to make Rocky Road cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.